Do you ever feel like your credit card is both a blessing and a curse? You get the convenience now, but stress later when the bill comes. Don't worry, we've all been there. In this video, let's fix that. Here are 10 smart tips to help you manage your credit card wisely so you can build your finances, not debt. Tip number 1. Stop treating your credit as free money. The 50,000 pesos limit isn't your money, it's the bank's. Every time you swipe, you're borrowing. So before buying, ask yourself, can I pay this in 30 days? If not, pause. You're borrowing stress from your future self. Tip number 2. Always pay more than the minimum. The minimum due is the biggest trap. It keeps you in debt for years. And the bank earns more from you. Pay in full whenever you can. If not, pay way more than the minimum. That's how you break free from credit card debt faster. Tip number 3. Know your billing cycle. Here's a pro tip most people miss. Your billing cycle affects your due date and grace period. Use your card right after the cutoff to maximize time before the payment is due. This helps you manage cash flow and avoid late fees. Tip number 4. Track every swipe. You can't control what you don't track. Use your banking app, a Google Sheet or Notion to list transactions. You'll quickly see where money leaks. Subscriptions, deliveries, or small treats that add up fast. Tip number 5. Don't fall for the rewards trap. Rewards points sound great until you realize you're overspending just to earn them. If you're paying interest every month, those rewards aren't rewards, they're discounts on your debt. Spend for your needs, not for points. Tip number 6. Avoid multiple cards. Having too many cards can lead to confusion and overspending. 1 or 2 well-managed cards are better than 5 messy ones. Simplify so you never miss a due date or lose track of payments. Tip number 7. Keep utilization below 30%. Credit bureaus love seeing you in control. Using less than 30% of your credit limit shows discipline. If your limit is 30,000 pesos, try not to go beyond 9,000 pesos. That keeps your score healthy and debt manageable. Tip number 8. Guard against fraud. Never share your card details through chat or screenshots. Use secure sites only and turn on SMS alerts for every transaction. If your card info gets stolen, report it immediately and request a replacement. Protecting your credit is protecting your future. Tip number 9. Watch emotional spending. Many people swipe out of boredom, sadness, or peer pressure. That's emotional spending, the silent budget killer. Before you buy, ask, do I need this or am I escaping a feeling? Waiting 24 hours before purchasing often saves you money and regret. Tip number 10. Build credit for future goals. A well-managed credit card builds your reputation with banks. That means better loan offers later for your home, car, or business. Use your card, pay on time, keep records. That's how you turn credit into leverage. The goal isn't just to be debt-free, it's to be financially powerful. At the end of the day, your credit card isn't the problem, your habits are. When you take control, the card becomes a financial tool, not a trap. So start today. Track your spending, pay on time, and spend with purpose. And to help you in managing your credit cards, grab our free credit card tracker. Just send an email to freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line Escape the CC Trap. If you liked this, check out our next video on credit card hacks. It's part of our Freedom Years Project series. To continue learning how to take control of your money and achieve freedom from your 9-to-5 job, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the Freedom Years Project channel so we can keep bringing you the best topics to help you reach your financial goals.